The Quad Summit convened leaders from the United States, India, Japan, Australia, emphasizing Indo-Pacific cooperation. Hello everyone, this is Insha, a career psychologist. Today I am here with a new video of UPSC Current Affair Prelims examination for 2024. In the last video, we have discussed about two topics of related current affair which are covering prelims examination in 2024. In this video, we are going to discuss about two more subtopics which will be covering prelims examination of 2024. So let's get started. So our third topic is Quad Summit. The Quad Summit convened leaders from the United States, India, Japan, Australia, emphasizing Indo-Pacific cooperation. Key discussion centered regional security, economic resilience, and COVID-19 response. The Quad aimed to strengthen strategic ties and address shared challenges for a stable and prosperous Indo-Pacific region. So let's go with our fourth topic, which is Farm Law Repeal. The Indian government repealed contentious farm law following widespread protest by farmers. The law aimed agricultural reform faced opposition over concern about corporatization. The repeal decision reflects responsiveness to farmer grievances and a commitment to dialogue for consensus-based reform. So this is our second topic of part 2. So in this video, we have discussed about two topics. In the next video, we are going to discuss about two more topics. So till that, happy studying. Thank you so much.